Let's get these doors open.
The light is perfect for seeing the details.
And the dust shows the air currents. Bless, O Lord, this restored altarpiece. May its sacred image intase vual hubino. Steady pressure gets the grime off. Yeah, the detail's coming through. This section's clear, let's move up. Look at the rays on that. Watch your step on these statue pieces.
Got it. This pew is heavy.
I'll take the big beam to the pile. Good, let's keep this pace.
The details on this saint are delicate. I use a soft brush to gently remove grime. A soft cloth is best for the carved robes. Patience is key.
This one's a bit stubborn. Almost there, just a final tweak. There we go, a perfect pitch. The light is transforming this sacred space. It cleanses and brightens everything. A divine radiance, purer, holier place. Okay, ready? On 3? 1, 2, 3. Good, let's check the alignment. Looks perfect. My dear brothers and sisters, we are gathered in this sacred space to encounter the divine. Let the light of faith fill your hearts as it fills this holy place. A new dawn over the restored cathedral.
It's beautiful. A symbol of hope.
Wow, it's getting so bright.